How to remove stains from baby clothes is always a challenge. So in this video, I'm giving you 3 tips on how to get stains out of baby clothes the easy way. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And in today's episode of My Housewife Life, we are back in the laundry lab. But before we jump into it, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about laundry, cooking, cleaning, and health and beauty, subscribe, because I do videos just like this all the time. But definitely check out the show notes and the links below, because I'll put information about all the products I'm using in this video. Alright, so let's get into it. So here's tip number 1. Soak the garment in cold water. If you can, remove the garment from the child right away and soak it in cold water. If you can't take it off right away, then as soon as you're able, soak it in cold water. Tip number 2 is to pre-treat the stain. I'm going to pour the detergent directly on the stain. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then throw it in the wash. Tip number 3 is wash it in cold water. Once it comes out of the wash, examine it to see if the stain came out. If you're not satisfied with how it looks, wash it again right away. And you can do one of 2 things. You can pre-treat it again with the laundry detergent and again give it a good scrub, or you can go with something a little stronger like OxiClean. But I do suggest that you rinse the garment twice. So like run it through the rinse cycle twice. That way we get any residue of detergent or stain fighter out of the garment, and it reduces the chances of irritation to the skin from the product. Now this little sweater that had a juice stain right on the front. And it's gone. Let's take a look. Look at there. No stain there. No stain there. So to sum it up, to get stains out of clothing, soak them in cold water as quickly as possible. Number 2, pre-treat with the detergent of your choice or stain removal of your choice. Let sit for about 10 minutes and then wash them in cold water. And that takes care of it. Now here's the question of the day. What challenges do you have when it comes to stain fighting? Tell me about it in the comment section below. I'd like to get a good conversation going. So that's it for now from the Laundry Lab. I hope you liked this video. If you want to learn more about laundry, cleaning, cooking, anything related to running a household, then subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.